This is Krishna, Assistant Manager from Hyderabad branch. I'm representing Relyon Softech Ltd. So it's a Bangalore-based company, and we are into three domains: accounting, payroll, taxation. So we provide software solutions and for completely punch to payslip in the payroll services, as well as in the taxation part. We provide solutions for TDS, income tax, GST, XBRL as well. And coming to this accounting, we provide billings as well as complete accounting package with e-invoicing as well GST returns. So complete solutions for taxation and accounting. And we punch to payslip is the slogan for payroll software. So right from biometric attendance to statutory reports and all. So these are all the solutions we provide. Thank you.